Hey friends, it's Misty and Cuddles. Hey Cuddles, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Um, I have a new book for us today. Yes, I know. I'm trying to have a book. I was trying to do a book every week, and I got a little sketchy at first. But I bought two books to stay ahead of it. And so then next week, I have a book, and then I could order some more books next week. So then I'll have some more books. Okay, that's a good idea. I'm trying to stay on top of it. I really do like reading online and everything. Excuse me. It's allergy season. Oh yes, I'm fine, Cuddles. Thank you for asking. That's why I sniff a little bit because my sinuses get kind of weird. Yeah. So let's get to reading our book, shall we? Our book is The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. Yay, you like that one? I used to read it to my kids a lot, and so I know most of the words to it by heart. Wow, I'm glad that's impressive to you. I mean, it's a classic story, so it's a wonder why I don't know all the words. It doesn't matter that I don't know all of them, but I know it enough where I can pretty much read the book without looking at the words. That's impressive to you? Oh, that means it became part of my heart now. That's sweet. That's sweet. Oh, Cuddles. Oh, that is so nice. Well, let's read it, Cuddles, shall we? And so, really fast, like last week when we did Amelia Bedelia and the characters had voices. Yeah, I like to do voices when I read. And so, the cat has a voice, and one of the other characters has a special voice too. I just like to have fun. Okay. So The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. So when I have trouble, I'm going to read it. But for the most part, I'm just going to look and talk because I know a lot of the words. Excuse me. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play, so we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two, and I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all we could do was sit, 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 sit. And we did not like it. Not one little bit. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked. Then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat, And he said to us, "Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny." Excuse me. Excuse me. "I know some good games we could play," said the cat. "I know some new tricks," said the cat in the hat. "A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do." Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. But our fish said, "No, no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when our mother is out." Did you like that voice? "Now, now, have no fear," said the cat. "My tricks are not bad," said the cat in the hat. "Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call up with the fish." "Put me down," said the fish. "This is no fun at all. Put me down," said the fish. "I do not wish to fall." "Have no fear," said the cat. "I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on a ball, with a book on one hand and a cup on my hat. But that is not all I can do," said the cat. Look at me now," said the cat, "with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. I can hold up two books, I can hold up a fish and a little toy ship and some milk on a dish. And look, I can hop up and down on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all." Look at me, look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and the fish on a rake. I can hold the toy ship and the little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball. Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he lit. "No, I do not like it. Not one little bit." "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "No, look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You sank our toy ship, sank a dip in a cake. You shook up our house, and you bent our new rake. You should not be here when our mother is out, and when our mother's not. You get out of this house," said the fish in the pot. Excuse me. "But I like to be here." Oh my God, that's crazy. I'm sorry, I'm being silly. Okay. "But I like to be here," said, "Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." "And so," said the cat in the hat, So, 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 I will show you another good game that I know. And then he ran out. And then, fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back in with a box. A big red wood box. It was shut with a hook. Now look at this trick, said the cat with a look. Oh, said the cat. Take a look. Oh, sorry about that. Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. I call this game Fun in the Box. Fun in the Box, said the cat. In this box are two things I will show to you now. You will like these two things, said the cat with a bow. I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun. Then out of the box came Thing 2 and Thing 1, and they ran to us fast. They said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2? And Sally and I did not know what to do, so we had to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2. We shook their two hands, but our fish said, "No, no, those things should not be in the house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out. Put them out," said the fish in the pot. "Have no fear, little fish," said the cat in the hat. "These things are good things," and he gave them a pat. "They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet, wet day." "Now here is a game that they like," said the cat. "They like to fly kites," said the cat in the hat. "No, not in the house," said the fish in the pot. "They should not fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump, oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it. Not one little bit." Excuse me. Come on, book. Come on. Thank you. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, thump, bump, down the wall in the hall. Thing 2 and Thing 1, they ran up, they ran down. On a string of one kite, I saw Mother's new gown. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. I'm sorry, I had to stretch out. Then those things ran. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hops and big thumps and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? You like, we might be getting in trouble about this. Mm. Then our fish said, "Look, look!" And our fish shook with fear. "Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What said the fish. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is here. Near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You'll have to get rid of thing one and thing two. Mm. So as fast as I could, I went after my net and I said, with my net, I can get them, I bet. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet. Let me hurry up. Then I let down my net. It came down with a plop. And I had them. At last, those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, now you do as I say. You pack up those things and you take them away. Oh dear, said the cat in the hat. You did not like our game. Oh dear, what a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with a hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away, yes. But your mother will come. She will find this big mess. This mess is so big and so deep and so tall. We cannot pick it up. There is no way at all. Excuse me. And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up all my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. Then he said, that is that. And then he was gone with the tip of his hat. Then our mother came in and she said to us too, did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on there that day? Should we tell her about it? Now, what should we do? Well, what would you do? Your mother asked you. Then, I love that story. so, so it asks at the end, what would you do? Would you tell your mom that the cat came to the house? You wouldn't tell her. What would you tell her? You would tell her y'all were just chilling. Just chilling, huh? Yeah, me too. That's what I would tell my mom too. I wouldn't want to get in no trouble. Like we was just sitting there looking out the window, watching TV, playing a board game, all kinds of different stuff. Just not with no cat in no hat messing up our house and flipping it over upside down. Right. Excuse me. Yeah, we do think a lot of life cuddles. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun to have a friend like you, Cuddles. Yes, you are my bestie, man. Oh, he said I'm his bestie too. That's why he kissed me. Oh, he said I'm his favorite. Oh, yay! Yay, Cuddles. You're my favorite too. Yeah, it's time to end our video. Oh, so Cuddles send a shout out to Faith Emmanuel, Peter, Paul, John, and Mary, and Chris. And he sent a shout to Sydney, RJ, Jason, and Jeremiah. And he said, "You are loved from far away." Oh, he said it was his turn to send the shouts because he never does that. It's not because I don't want you to do it. It's just because I usually send them because I always send you a shout also, Cuddles. Oh, you're sending a shout to me. That's so sweet. I'm sending one right back to you, Cuddles. Sending one right back to you. I love you. Yeah. Mm, he said, good night. Have a good night.